Ever since my best friend introduced me to Pozole Verde, it is now one of my favorite Mexican dishes to make. It's comforting and light. What's even better is that it's ready in half the time compared to Pozole Rojo. So let me show you guys how to make it. For this recipe, I'm gonna be using 5 pounds of chicken, and it's a mixture of breast with bone in, thighs, and legs. I set my pot on medium heat with 8 quarts of water. Once the water is boiling, I'm gonna add 1 whole onion, 2 garlic heads, and 3 tablespoons of salt. Give it a mix, cover it up, and let it boil for a few minutes. It's been 5 minutes, and we're gonna add the chicken and 5 bay leaves. Cover it up and cook for 10 minutes. While we wait for the chicken to cook, I'm gonna roast 1 Anaheim pepper and 2 chile pasillas. Once they're ready, I like to place them in a plastic bag so they can sweat. This makes it easier to peel. They've been sweating for a couple of minutes, and now I'm gonna peel them. I like using a spoon to peel because it makes it easier, and once they're peeled, we remove the seeds. It's been 10 minutes, and now it's time to add our Maíz Blanco, Hominy. I'm gonna be using 110 ounces. Once we mix, cover it up and cook for 30 minutes. In the meantime, we're gonna boil 12 tomatillos just until they change color. As you can see, the tomatillos are ready. I'm gonna take them out. It's been 30 minutes, and now I'm gonna remove the chicken. We're gonna let it cool off so that we can shred it. I'm also gonna remove the onion and the garlic heads. Now we cover it up and continue cooking on low heat. To the blender cup, I'm gonna add an additional 3 cups of hominy, along with some of the broth where we cooked our chicken, 2 jalapeños that I've already cleaned and deveined, 5 garlic cloves, and 3 tablespoons of chicken bouillon. Now we add the mixture into the pot. This mixture is to make your broth more flavorful and a little bit thicker. Give it a mix, and we continue cooking on low heat. In the meantime, we're gonna prepare our salsa. To the blender cup, I'm gonna add 1 bunch of spinach, some leaves from the radishes, a small bunch of cilantro, the tomatillos, the Anaheim pepper, the 2 chile pasillas, and here I have 1 teaspoon of each, oregano and black peppercorn. And last, we add 3 cups of the chicken broth. And now we blend. This has been cooking for 20 minutes, and now I'm gonna add in the chicken. I've already shredded and removed all the bones, and I've left some of the skin because my boys love the skin. But you can always remove it if you don't like it. We mix. Now let's add the salsa, and while doing so, make sure to strain it. If it's a little too thick, just keep adding broth. Once all the sauce is in, it's the perfect time to check for salt or chicken bouillon. Mine needs a little more, so I'm gonna add an additional teaspoon of chicken bouillon. Mix it well, cover it up, and continue cooking for an additional 30 minutes. It's been 30 minutes, and our pozole is now ready. It smells so good, guys, if you could just smell it. Now I'm gonna serve myself a bowl. I like to prepare my pozole with some cabbage, some cebollita blanca, cilantro, some rábanos, radish, a little bit more, and last, some limoncito. All right, guys, moment of truth. Cheers. It's super, super good, guys. You need to try it. Honestly, the broth is just perfect. I love it. It's not spicy at all. On the spicy level, honestly, you can't even taste any spice. That's why I like to add tapatio. Or you can add salsa macha, chile de aceite. And there you have it, delicious pozole verde. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.